Part 2. The ark rests on Mount Ararat. Genesis chapter 8 verse 4 to 5. Na so God go carry your wahala land for dry ground one day. After many months, on the 17th day of the 7th month, Noah ark rests for Mount Ararat. But water still dey everywhere until the 10th month before mountain top begins show. This one teach us say God get exact day for your relief even when e no dey show now. In calendar dey sure your own Mount Ararat dey come. Just hold on. Question time. Where did Noah's ark rest? A. Mount Sinai. B. Mount Ararat. C. Mount Zion. D. Mount Carmel. Correct answer B. Mount Ararat. Question 2. Which month did the mountain top appear? A. 2nd month. B. 5th month. C. 10th month. D. 12th month. Correct answer C. 10th month. Question 3. What does Mount Ararat represent in the lesson? A. End of the flood. B. Start of rain. C. Building the ark. D. Planting season. Correct answer, end of the flood.